Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Malik here for Tech. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of my Apple Watch, which I just got it and just arrived. I'm going to do a so-called a quick unboxing and show you the content of this Apple Watch 7. So what I've got is the blue Aluminium 45mm version, the LTE version, as you can see here, the Series 7. Blue aluminum case, Abyss blue spot band. Yes guys, I pre-ordered on my telco StarHub in Singapore here, and it just arrived. So let me unpack it and show you this watch. And I'm recording this video using my iPhone 13 Pro. So this is the package. You can see the watch embossed logo on the box itself, the Apple logo and watch. On the back we have the two flaps to unbox this Apple Watch package. Let me just unpack it right now. Attach. So you just pull out and open. So inside we have the box where it contains the Apple Watch itself. Let me put that aside, and we have the strap, and this is how the package looks like inside, with the design of various watch straps and watch 7 designs. So we have the black, silver and other strap designs. There's very nice packaging done by Apple. So let me put this aside right now and open up the watch itself. So the strap and the Apple Watch 7, the blue aluminum. So let me tear it out, the box. So there you go. I've unboxed the watch, the dial itself. So you can see here it's designed by Apple in California, and the watch, the dial is here. So before taking out the watch, let's see what's given inside. So I believe this is the instruction manual. Yep. And we have the charging cable, the magnetic type. I believe it comes with a Type-C head. So let's take out and see. Yes, it comes with a Type-C adapter head. So it will actually charge your watch quickly. So welcoming change by Apple. Thank you, Apple. And here finally the dial itself, and it's wrapped in a paper case, and you can see the 45mm indicated behind and the red dial. Okay, let's remove the dial out of this paper. Okay, there you go. So to be very frank, this is my first time I'm going to wear an Apple Watch, and I'm very thrilled. I want to see how this Apple Watch really be a so-called a productive tool for me. And I was using Android for almost 5 years, and I've decided to switch back to Apple, and I decided to get this watch along with my iPhone 13 Pro. And yep, let's see how does it enhance my day-to-day productivity. So let me turn on. It's now turned on. The switch button is here, and the charging panel is behind. Let's see how long does it take to fully turn on. Bring your iPhone near the watch. So I'm not going to connect my Apple Watch together with the iPhone right now. I just want to show you the unboxing and the watch. Okay, let's put the down and take out the strap. So this is a strap that came along this watch. Okay, again I need to unwrap this, pull out this sticker to reveal the strap. To be very frank, I'm a first time user of Apple Watch, so I have nothing much to say as of now. I'll be giving my review of Apple Watch as a so-called a first time user. How do I find it? How's the battery life like? How does it perform with my daily life? And so on. So this is the strap package, the inner package, and it shows you the instruction on how to exactly fit the band with this watch. So we have about a 3-step process, if I'm not wrong. So first, attach band, slide in until you hear the click sound. Second, adjust band to fit closer to your wrist for optimal performance. I think the behind is the button type of a strap. And final, to remove the band, press button and slide out. So that's the instruction for how to fit in this Apple Watch band. They have given additional band. If you see this medium and large, you can see here medium and large, and small and medium. So they give you an additional band according to your arm wrist size. So that's really something cool about Apple. Yeah, so let me take out this band. I just need to push up from behind. So there it goes, coming out smoothly. This is the medium large band. So this is the button, and there you go, both of it. And you can see there's a so-called a metallic attachment here, I think to attach the watch. It does feel very premium, it doesn't feel cheap. And this is the real life color of this abyss blue. So it is not so bright, I mean light blue, is actually a kind of a navy blue. Okay, let me slot in the band. I think I'm doing it the correct way. Yep, I heard the click. And the bottom. Yes, I've slide in the band. So now let me wear it on my wrist. So this is the 45mm dial, guys. Yep, there you go. And I slot in. So it's the second slot. That's my fitting, and that's how it looks on my hand. It's just nice. Looks perfectly fitted into my wrist. Not too big, not too small. So how does it look, guys? Leave your comments in the description below. How does it look on my wrist? So there you go, my unboxing of Apple Watch. So this is the first time I'm wearing an Apple Watch, and I'm not sure how does it going to perform. So I have no other previous watch to actually compare with. I'm sure you've seen my previous video on the Galaxy Watch Classic. So I actually didn't like the watch much and I had to sell it away, and I'm jumping into Apple ecosystem. So meaning to say I've sold my Galaxy Z Fold 3 as well, and it was not a good experience for me. It was too bulky, and I thought, why do I need 3 screens? So I sold my Galaxy Z Fold 3 and got the iPhone 13 Pro, which I'm recording right now. So I find the camera on iPhone is much better, and to complete the so-called the ecosystem, I got the Apple Watch, and I've done the unboxing now. So if you have liked this unboxing Watch 7, do give a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Bye.